So this is the last day that you could ski at Bogus, and it's like a big old party. So I just wanted to show you. People dress up, and they have like a costume contest. So I'll show you these people right here. And it's just like fun barbecue. People are over here. People are just like barbecuing over here and stuff. There's a bunny hill. And they have like radio stations and news people are interviewing people. Look at these people are funny.
Okay, where are you from?
Boise.
Tell me a little bit about why Say So Exciting and your influence.
You know, we've skied Bogus for lots of years, and the last day party is just awesome. We wear our hats, we get dressed up, we all have a good time.
Woohoo! I'll show you. People are here. Line for the ski lift is pretty long. And they have like people selling beer and stuff. It's fun. So you have to come visit.